Hey y'all. Okay, so I'm going to be unboxing my own ultimate marketing bag, okay? This bag is what you need. If you are looking to market your business and be successful, you need to get this ultimate marketing bag. But I'm just gonna let you know what's inside of it first, okay? So first things first, it comes in this lovely marble and gold container. And we're literally just going to go right inside the bag. So we'll start with that last. The first thing that you'll notice is that you get a ring light. Very important for marketing, very important for your videos, pictures. First thing you're getting inside your ultimate marketing bag is a ring light. The next thing that I have for you lovelies out there is a wonderful notebook, handy dandy notebook. This is what you need to be writing all your business ideas in, all of your networking connections, all of your new clients and your prospects will be going inside your new notebook. Of course, motivational sticker. I don't know if y'all can read this on the other side, but it says never give up. It can go on your mirror, it can go on your wall, it can go inside your car, literally wherever you want to put it. Calendar. No more, wait, what did I have to do? You're gonna write it down, and guess what? I even got you something to write it down with. Your own handy dandy dry erase marker. And not only will that come in handy for your 5-day schedule, it'll also come in handy for your 7-day action plan. This ultimate marketing bag comes with a 7-day action plan and a reflection plan. So every week you can erase it off and go through, see if you maxed out your skills, if you maxed out your goals, if you made your goals, if you even touched your goals. And if you can't think of what to do for the week, this comes literally with a 7-day action plan already made out for you. So there's nothing that you need to write in. There's nothing that you need to sit and think about. It's right here. Like, y'all, this is literally the bag that you need, I'm telling you. The next thing that comes in here is your own phone stand. So whenever you want to do lives, if you want to record any videos, if you want to set up, if you're doing hair, makeup, and you need something that's going to just hold your phone, you're going to stick it on here, place it down. It also has stickers so you can stick it to the table, and you're going to put your phone on here. I mean, marketing, literally, everything that you need for marketing is going to come inside this bag. Another wonderful thing that we have in here is a wall holder. So you put this on your desk, put this on your nightstand, wherever you do business, and has little stickies in there to stick it on there. And from there, you can put your phone in here, you can put business cards in here, pencil, paper, whatever you really need, honestly. A little nice holder that comes inside your marketing bag as well. Next super cool thing is this carrying case, okay? I did that the last time too. Super great. And guess what? Oh, I'm sorry. I got you your own little USB holder. So there's no more, I don't want to have to carry this with me. You put this little bad boy in here, and you put this little bad boy in here, and wham bam, thank you ma'am. Marketing, hello. Everything that you need. When you're going to your conferences, when you're going to your meetings, boom, take the little bad boy out. Oh, no? Oh, I got it. Don't worry about it. I got it on my USB. Where are you keeping your USB? Oh, I just got it right here. Where'd you get that? Oh, it's inside my ultimate marketing bag. I got almost everything I need in there. And when I say almost everything, this is everything. So for my people who like to do videos, for my people who like to do YouTube channels, for my people who like to interview people, have their own podcasts, or do their own interviews for themselves, it comes with your own microphone to record. So it's not even just to speak into. You can put this on somebody, and if you're looking to record them, or you're looking to have them speak for your business or your show or your segment, you just clip it on to their shirt, and they speak into the microphone right here, and it plugs into the phone or a speaker or whatever you're using, which is literally really, really awesome. So I created this bag for all entrepreneurs to be able to get everything that they need when it comes to marketing. You no longer have to guess. You no longer have to wonder. I have everything that you need right here inside my ultimate marketing bag. Also, friends, it comes with a nice little surprise. So everybody gets a different surprise. It could be a keychain, it could be a pedicure filer, it could be anything. This bag comes with this awesome inflatable drink holder. This one is actually the flamingo. It comes with, I think we have the unicorn and the donut and the pineapple. But you never know what you're gonna get in there. Literally, y'all, like, this bag is beyond what you need. Nice little pen that comes with your notebook. And one thing that I do not have on hand that also comes inside of the marketing bag is two forms of digital marketing content pieces. So it's going to tell you how to email market, how to pay-per-click market, how to network market, how to content market, how to video market. Literally two printed out, laminated pieces of paper that are going to tell you how to market your business come inside this ultimate marketing bag. So if you are looking to boost your business up, if you are looking to get a hold of marketing, digital marketing, and just about all sorts of marketing for your business, then you need to get this ultimate marketing bag. It is literally everything you need. I mean, it comes with, just like I said, it comes with everything. It comes with a ring light, comes with a phone holder, a notebook, a scheduler, decals, holders for your cords, for your microphone, your USB, your business cards. There's bigger ones as well. Literally, y'all, everything that you need comes inside this. So the best thing about it is that they are on sale right now. The Ultimate Marketing Bags are on sale until June 10th. So go ahead and purchase yours. I know you are not going to want to miss out on this. I'm telling you. Like, I'm glad I have one for myself, because if not, I would definitely be buying one. So make sure you go to the RoyalBossShop.BigCartel.com and get your ultimate marketing bag. I'm telling you guys, you need this, okay?